Hey, have you ever wondered how plants get their food? They make their own food.
Wow, they can cook?
Yes, they use sunlight, water, and air.
Come, let's see step by step how plants make food.
Sunlight comes shining bright. Leaves get happy with the light.
Sun shines down on the leaves so green. Roots sip water from the soil unseen. Stem lifts water to the leaves up high. CO2 comes from the air and sky. Inside the leaf they mix just right. Magic happens with the sunlight bright. Food is made, hooray, hooray. This is photosynthesis, nature's way.
Food travels to every part with care. Plants grow strong, life everywhere. Leaf is the kitchen of the plant you see.
Where Jexy food is made,
Naturally, it's made.
Wow, plants are amazing.
yes, nature is the best teacher.
We should love and protect plants.
Let's grow green together.